Good morning everyone, my name is Darren Dingal. This is my Watashi no Minaichi. Kyou wa asa 7時に起きました. Today I woke up 7 a.m. in the morning. Asagohan o tabetai, shawa o abitai, how migaitai, fuku wa kimashita. I ate breakfast, take a shower, brush my teeth, and pour my clothes. Watashi wa gozen 8 時に学に通い始めました. At 8 a.m. I started to go to school. Gozen 10時から授業が始めました. At 10 a.m. we started our class. Gojo 1時に昼食を食べました. At 1 p.m. I ate my lunch. Gojo 7時に私たちは家に帰り始めました. At 7 p.m. we started to go home. 夜11時に寝ます. 11 p.m. I sleep. こうして私の1日は終わります. And that is how my day ends. Thank you for watching.